Hey guys, I work with shining product milk photography and I want to use this light cone company the Cartello, and we check how work this. Looks funny. I try and check I have reflection or not. It's not completely, but now when I have, yes, it's perfect, looks good. I'm coming closer, guys. Like you see, reflection disappearing. Almost coming like little more, and almost this side, little here. Like you see, reflection disappearing little. I have shining product here and here. I will be little more work with diffuser. Maybe I take different softbox and put on the lamp and will be better. And later the diffuser material both side. We'll see how work because little give me headache. This reflection on the bottles. It's not easy to work with reflection, but it's good practice and have that clients and work for that project.
Hey guys, I didn't like how looks the reflection on the bottles, and I'm using another softbox. Before I have only lamp, I give softbox. Now I have the diffuser. If I put close is better. This I always can put that, or it's good to put in the back, like 45 degrees. You will be don't have that reflection. But I want to show you something. Came here closer. You see the reflection here is straight, but here I have the reflection, the umbrella. I don't like. I will want the same. That's long the reflection. And this, what I will be do, I remove the umbrella. I put here the same background, and that's material diffuser for both sides. That is better. And later I take the shoot I like or not, or if I don't like, I still use this light cone and will be try. But now when I set up this on the end, should be looks good. We'll see how looks everything with second softbox and diffuser. I back for a few minutes. I bring another softbox and the diffuser for make soft light. And now when you come here, the bottom, you know this, here and here I have the line. That is perfect, what I want have two line. But now I have problem, the front is so dark. And we will be work on this, but first I want set up my camera on the computer and tether cable, and later will be work what to do. The front will be more bright than is now. I'm happy how I set up everything. I have now camera with tether cable, and we see everything on the laptop. Like you see on the photo here, this is live view. We have here and here little lights, but we'll be work on this later. But what is the problem? The problem is the front here is too dark. I don't want. The most important here is the label, must be shape and bright. And I think I use this whiteboard, very expensive whiteboard. And this whiteboard, I put here on the front to make more bright. Like you see, check on the live view, straight away. I put the board, I take the board. It's more dark, yes, and here when I put it's more bright, definitely. I take the shoot and I want to show you how it looks. This is with whiteboard and this is without. Is different. 50 minutes to work with this. I completed resignation with double diffuser. We used only this softbox with the lamp. We put closer this. We didn't put anything bright on the bottom. This. What we do? We work with the cone. We put the cone here on this. Straight away I put here the lens and will be shoot this. And that's work the best. I show you the photo what you look. The photo when I use the cone looks that. Yes, but without looks that. Did you see the reflection here and here? But when we use the cone and the lights, looks perfect, like perfect milk, little more editing only, and that will be perfect. That's I recommend buy this corn for photography when you must work with shining product. Really, some diffuser material or softbox is perfect to use and work with both things. Make more soft everything and less reflection on the product what you need. This corn I bought myself for my money to practice with the photography and work with few things what I have for my clients with the shining product. But let me know in the comment what do you think about this idea to work on shining product, use this corn and the softbox, or maybe you use completely different technique to photography glass or shining product.